40 seconds, let's go. Grab your screwdriver, get your thermal paste, get your CPU. Make sure the arrow's pointing down. Put it in the CPU socket, pull down the lever, apply thermal paste in the line. Screw in your heatsink, apply the fan. Plug in the CPU fan, plug in your RAM to the slots 3 and 1. Get your case, install the I/O shield. Get your motherboard screws, screw in the motherboard. Get your PSU, install it into the case. Plug in your case cables like HDMI, USB, audio, LED, reset, power switch, etc. Get your GPU. Install your GPU to PCI slot 16. Plug in all your PSU cables. Install your case fans. Quick tilt, the arrow shows where air is going to flow. Install your SSD and your hard drive. Do some cable management. Turn it on.